Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small, they come from lots of places. After school they meet to play and sing with happy faces. Barney shows us lots of things like how to play pretend, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and how to be a friend. Barney comes to play with us whenever we may need him. Barney can be your friend too if you just make believe him.
Barney!
Oh, hello, everybody. All right, Tori. Oh, that was great. Okay, let me try here. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, boy. Oh, I think I need to rest.
That was fun, but I'm getting sort of thirsty. Yeah, me too.
Well, then, let's all go get a drink of water.
How about some lemonade?
Oh, well, hi, Baby
Hi,
Bop.
Barney. Hi, everybody. Oh, careful, don't spill those. Go.
It looks like you have your hands full.
Oh, yeah.
Can we help you?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, there, thank you.
So, what's all this for, Baby Bop?
I'm making a lemonade stand. Come see.
Okay, we'd love to. Let's see.
Ta-da!
Oh.
That looks great. That's terrific, Baby Bop.
Oh, what a fine idea. A warm day like this can make you very thirsty.
Well, I'll give you some lemonade.
Great.
As soon as I find just the right place to put my lemonade stand.
Well, maybe we can help with that too.
Sure, Baby Bop.
Oh, thank you.
I'm sure we can find a perfect spot on a sunny day like this. Yes, it's a perfect day for having fun. We'll run and play out in the sun. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day. We're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day.
Play some catch or climb a tree or fly a kite if we catch a breeze. It's a perfect day. You can do as you please. It's a fun, fun, sunny day.
We're gonna have fun.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, funny, a sun, sun, sunny, a fun, fun, sunny day. Whoa!
Oh, this is the perfect place right here in the sunshine.
I'm glad you finally found a spot, Baby Bop.
What?
Yeah, all that work made me even more thirsty.
Well, me too. I think we could all go for a cool glass of lemonade.
Oh, goody, I'll pour 1, 2, 3 cups of lemonade. Ooh. Now, where do those cups go?
I think they're back at the shed.
Okay, I'll get them.
Whoa! Hi, Barney!
Hi, PJ. Hi, Amy.
Look what we made!
What a great kite.
Now all we need is a place to fly it.
Well, you chose a good day. There's a nice breeze blowing throughout the whole park.
Come on! Let's find the perfect spot.
Okay. Oh, boy. Flying kites can be so much fun. The wind blows them up so high in the sky and spins them round and round. Whoa! Have you ever flown a kite? Flying so high with its tail in the breeze, up in the air with the greatest of ease, flipping and dipping with colors so bright. I love to fly my kite. Whirling, twirling high in the air, whirling, twirling, floating up there. at the end of the string. It's a wonderful thing. I love to fly my kite. Look at it flutter and dance all around. Hear the wind blowing it high off the ground. Feel the string tugging, but just hold on tight, and you can fly a kite. Whirling, twirling high in the air. Whirling, twirling, floating up there. At the end of the string, it's a wonderful thing. I love to fly my kite.
Oh, come on, sissy. But I was here first.
What seems to be the problem?
BJ wants me to move my lemonade stand. Well, this is the perfect place to fly our kite, Barney. There's a nice breeze here.
Well, yes, that is true.
But I like it because it's in the pretty sunlight.
And that's certainly true, too.
But the sun shines all the time. It's not always windy like today. Yeah, well, I was here first. Oh, sissy.
You know, this reminds me of a story.
What's that, Barney?
It's all about the wind and the sun and the things they learned one summer day. Now, the wind and the sun had known each other for years and years.
I am the sun. I shine my light across the land and warm everything I see. I am the wind. I blow leaves in the trees and kites fly in my breeze.
The wind and the sun were the very best of friends and always got along quite well. Hello, sun, sun, the day's begun. When you shine bright, we have fun.
The sun is warm. The sun makes light. When the sun goes down, it's time to say goodnight.
Fun, fun for everyone. It's a happy day when we're playing in the sun. Fun, fun for everyone. It's a happy day when we're playing in the sun.
Oh, yes, it is. Hello, wind, wind, you blow and spin. You ruffle our hair and tickle our skin.
The wind zips around through the grass and trees. It can be a big storm or just a little breeze.
Whoosh, whoosh, twist and spin. We'll all have fun when we're blowing in the wind. Whoosh, whoosh, twist and spin. We'll all have fun when we're blowing in the wind. Fun, fun for everyone. It's a happy day when we're playing in the sun. Whoosh, whoosh, twist and spin. We'll all have fun when we're blowing in the wind.
But then, one day, the wind was feeling in a sort of boastful, blustery mood.
Look at me. I can even blow clouds from the sky.
Now, as it happened, a traveler came walking along on the road below. The wind saw him and said,
I can make anyone do anything I want. I can even make that man take off his coat. Whoa, what a windy day it is. Just watch this. I'll blow that coat right off him.
But the harder the wind blew, the tighter the man held onto his coat.
I can't believe it. I couldn't make him take off his coat.
And the sun said,
Let me try.
and the wind just laughed.
If I can't make him do it, there's no way you can.
But instead of trying to make the man take off his coat, the sun asked nicely, in her own special way.
I'll shine my warm rays on him. Please take off your coat. Please take off your coat. Whoa, what a nice and warm day it is. I don't need my coat anymore.
Oh, look, he's taking off his coat. Yeah.
All right, son, you win.
And the wind learned it's always better to ask nicely. The end.
Thank you, Barney. That was a very good story.
Oh, you're very welcome.
You know, I I just realized something.
Oh?
You shouldn't try to make somebody do something. You should ask nicely.
That's very true.
Sissy, would you please move your stand over just a little so I can fly my kite here? Well, sure. Oh, thanks.
Oh, let it fly on the wind, BJ.
Okay, here goes.
Okay.
Whoa! Look at it go! Thanks for sharing your space with me, Sissy. You're welcome, BJ.
Oh, sharing is always the best way for everyone to have fun together. The more we share together, together, the more we share together, the happier we'll be.
'Cause your friends are my friends.
And my friends are your friends. The more we share together, the happier we'll be. Can you hand me the green one?
No.
The more we share together, together, the more we share together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we share together, the happier we'll be. The more we share together, together, the more we share together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we share together, the happier we'll be. Oh, look, it's flying the sky. Aw.
Oh boy, flying this kite sure makes me thirsty. Well, how about some lemonade? That'd be great, thanks.
Oh, I'm glad BJ and Baby Bop are getting along so nicely now. And I'm glad you were here to share this time with us. I'm so happy you're the one that's here today. Oh, having fun. Wherever we go, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Oh.
Time for Barney's Music Box.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again and again and again and again.
Look over there, it's a bird. And there goes a butterfly fluttering by. And there's, it's what looks like it's a Barney!
Oh, hi, everybody. Oh, it's great to see you. Aw. So, what did you see through the telescope?
We've seen all kinds of different animals, like birds and butterflies
Butterflies.
and friends.
What?
And there's another one.
Hi! Hi, everybody!
Hi there,
Hello,
Red.
Hello.
Would you like to help us look for animals in the park?
Oh, yeah, thanks. Sounds like fun.
Oh, I think I see another animal.
Oh, where, Bernie?
Right under that tree.
Oh, sir. Oh, it's a little turtle.
Aw.
Oh, hi, Guy.
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. He swam in a puddle, he climbed on a rock. Oh, yes, he did. He snapped at a mosquito, he snapped at a flea, he snapped at a minnow, and he snapped at me. Oh my! He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me. Oh boy!
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box. He swam in a bottle, he climbed on a rock.
He snapped at a mosquito.
He snapped at a flea.
He snapped at a minnow.
And he snapped at me. Oh no!
He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me.
Yep.
Whoa!
Oh.
Let's see if we can go find any more animals.
Race back to the
Sounds like
toadstool.
fun.
Hey, there's Rachel.
Hi, Barney. Hi, Riff.
Hi, Rachel.
Would you like to see my new music box?
Oh,
Sure.
yeah.
Great.
Whoa.
There it is. Oh my. Oh, so what are these pictures on your music
It's
box?
some animals.
You know, we have animals like these right here in the park.
Uh-huh. There's a bunny.
Oh, awesome.
Cute.
But, what's all that on the ground?
Oh, that's just some stuff that came in the box. Do you want to listen to the music that it plays?
Maybe we should pick these things up first.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll get those in a minute. Come on, let's go inside and listen to it where it's quiet.
Okay.
All right.
Come on, Riv.
I'm coming.
Rachel, you seem tired today.
I am. I stayed up late listening to my music box. Come on, let's go inside.
Well,
Okay, here you go.
Doesn't it sound pretty?
Oh, it sure does.
I really like your music box.
Me too.
Thanks.
Oh,
Boy, I'm really sleepy. Maybe I will take a nap.
that's a good idea. Okay. There you go.
Barney? Riff? Where are you? Where'd everybody go? Am I dreaming? Hello? Anybody out here?
My, would you look at this mess?
You can talk? You're a turtle, and you're talking.
Of course I can talk.
Turtles can't talk. I don't believe it.
Well, I don't believe someone littered in my home. Would you look at this mess?
Who did this? Look at all this trash.
You can talk too?
Hello, Rachel.
Oh, Barney, these animals can talk.
Yes, I know.
This park's full of all kinds of amazing animals. Come on, let me show you around. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet everybody.
Oh, boy.
Ribbit.
Hello, Mrs. Frog.
We're introducing Rachel to all the animals who live here in the park.
Well, I know where there are lots of animals.
Where?
Over in the meadow. Follow me.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother frog and her little froggy one.
Croak said the mother, I croak said the one.
So they croaked and they croaked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, in the stream so blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishies too.
Swim said the mother, we swim said the two.
So they swam and they swam in the stream so blue. Over in the meadow, on the branch of a tree, lived an old mother bird and her little birdies three.
Sing said the mother, we sing said the three.
So So they sang and they sang on the branch of the tree.
Ribbit,
Thank you for introducing us to all your friends who live in the meadow.
you're welcome. Say, you wouldn't know who left this litter here, would you?
Well, actually,
Are you all right, Mrs. Duck?
Oops, just look at this, Barney. Look what someone's done to our beautiful pond.
yeah, that was me, actually. I'm really sorry. I meant to clean it up, but
Please, please do. What if one of my ducklings ate this? They'd get sick. Sick.
oh, I guess I never thought of that.
That's another reason we have to keep the park nice and clean.
That's right. The ducks need a clean pond to paddle around in. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Who knows how to paddle all around the pond?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
Who knows how to waddle all around the lawn?
Quack, 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 the duckies do.
They quack when they talk, they wiggle when they walk, they quack when they're swimming too. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do. Quack, 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 let's do what the duckies do.
I'm sorry about messing up your home. I'll never do it again, ever.
Thank you very much. Quack.
Yes, Ribbit, thanks.
You see, Rachel, we have to remember that we share this park with some very special friends.
I understand now, Barney. I'll clean this up right away.
I can help if you'd like.
Thanks, Rip. That'd be great.
Yay!
The earth is our home, lovely and green. Let's keep it tidy, you know what that means. If you make it messy, you make it clean. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Playing in nature is always such fun. 'Cause I love the forest, the rivers, the sun. But if there's a mess, there's work to be done. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Here on the planet, we don't live alone. So always be careful wherever you roam. The forest you visit is somebody's home. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Rachel, wake up! Guys? Barney?
Did you have a nice nap?
I just had the strangest dream.
Oh,
I dreamt that I met all the animals who lived in the park. And they talked and everything.
well, that sounds like a fun dream.
It was. And you were there, Barney? And you too, Riff. And you even helped me clean up the mess I made.
I'm sure all the animals really liked that.
They did.
Oh, isn't it wonderful to know that we have all these animal friends around us every day? And taking care of our friends shows them just how much we love them. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug. from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me
I better go clean up that trash for real this time.
Oh, do you need any help, Rachel?
Sure, Riff, that'd be great. Thanks. Come on, guys. See you, Barney.
All right.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye now.
Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.